Welcome to Design and Builds, and this is a two-part advanced course for the Digital Innovations program here at Arkansas State University. This class has two different sections. You need to be taking them consecutively, so it would be Spring 1, Spring 2, or Fall 1, Fall 2, and you're going to work through those sections of the class through one large-scale project. So this whole class is designed to really allow you to let yourself, run with a project idea and see it to its completion, or at least to an advanced stage. I don't expect everything to be completed, but at least an advanced stage. So that might be an app that you've built or want to build. That might be um, a game in Maya and Unity. That might be a series of mock-ups or designs, and it also could be a website. So there's a lot of different topics. I'm really open to whatever you'd like to do. This is kind of based around the idea that you need some time in this course to really develop your portfolio and develop something new. Your classes so far have been really explorations of different techniques, different skills, which is great, but this is the time for your voice to really come through, and I really want to focus on that. I'm going to head over to our syllabus for just a second, and within our syllabus, I just want to clarify a few points. You have 6 assignments in this class. These are really check-ins. There are some light requirements to the assignments, but a lot of this is self-driven, right? This is you figuring out exactly what your project's going to look like. Your final project really consists of you having a midterm critique, and then at the end of the second section, a final critique. And then 7 discussion board posts and responses, which basically are you going to be sharing your project, right? Or offering up advices or critiques on other people's work. So the course objectives is really to design and develop a complete proposed project from start to finish over 2 course sessions, to examine current application, web, game design trends, formulate techniques to incorporate these trends. So looking at the contemporary, right? I don't really want to see, game work or website work that looks like it's 10 years old. I want to see work that feels new and feels fresh. Again, this is your opportunity to really show us what you can do. You're nearing the end of your digital innovations time, or at least the digital innovations core, and this is really like your time to shine. And also, of course, evaluate and critique your peers' designs and structures and creating that constant sense of community. What's really important is that from this class and from these classes, that you come away with the opportunity to speak with your classmates and to share advice and to share comments. I can't stress how important that is. It's very, very essential that we don't silo ourselves off from this world. So scrolling down, there's some typical expectations, some technical requirements, and our schedule. Moving through our schedule, we have 7 different modules. The first module, brainstorming ideas and thinking through pitches, we're going to be talking about how do we come up with ideas, and how do we talk about goal management and time management, and also what is a pitch? You're going to be selling your idea to us, almost like Shark Tank. Module 2 is going to be looking at your proposal and fixing problems in the world with your proposal, and how to set realistic goals. 3 is effectively iterating and prototyping. You're going to kind of come out with your first prototype or start working on your first prototype. Module 4 is a midterm critique, where we're going to be looking at your work in progress. That's 4 weeks in. Week 5, you're going to be talking about the importance of feedback and having real clients, meaning handing off your project to another student and letting them explore it. And then Module 6, you're going to be revising your existing goals. You're going to go back here, and this design process, as we've talked about through countless classes, is really a cycle. So you're going to cycle back. And then on the Module 7, you're going to have your final application. And again, that Module 7 final application isn't something that's finished. It's kind of your first draft. And then the next semester, you're going to work through the rest of this. Essentially, that's the whole idea of the course. You're going to be working through these modules. There's a few videos here and there, but really this is your time to create a project and get direct feedback from your instructor and from your peers.